Well, the turkey's been eaten, Santa has visited, and the eve of a new year celebrated. So now it's time to start gathering the information you'll need to file your 2023 taxes. And you may be wondering, has anything changed for this year? And where can I find any updated information? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm the Tax Geek, and here is what's new and what's changed for 2023, oversimplified. For most Americans, there will be very few changes in the tax laws that will affect them. Inflation adjustments will increase the standard deduction and tax bracket thresholds, as well as the upper adjusted gross income limits for many tax credits and deductions. For 2023, the standard deduction, and by extension the requirement for filing a tax return, is gross taxable income of $13,850 for a single taxpayer, $27,700 for married couples filing jointly and qualified surviving spouses, and $20,800 for head of household filers. Taxpayers over age 65 are entitled to an additional $1,850 standard deduction if unmarried, or $1,500 if married. To see any inflation-adjusted amounts, click on the appropriate video, and the revised amounts will be shown in the video description and in pinned comments. Two major changes to the tax law this year were enacted by the Inflation Reduction Act and benefit many people who bought electric vehicles, made energy efficiency improvements to their homes, or invested in clean power generation for their homes. The new Clean Vehicle Credit was covered in a video released earlier in 2023. However, the revised Form 8936 had not yet been created at the time the video was published. Now that a draft version of the new Form 8936 has been released, a new video has been uploaded supplementing the original video. The new video shows how to fill out the form and claim the credit. Two videos have been published on the new residential energy credits. One video covers the credits available for making energy efficiency improvements to your home, such as insulation, doors and windows, and high-efficiency heating and cooling systems. The other video on residential energy credits describes the credits that are available for installing clean energy generation in your home. This includes solar, wind, and geothermal energy generation, as well as battery storage. Both videos will introduce the revised Form 5695 and detail what you need to complete the form and claim each type of credit. One change that will benefit older taxpayers is that the age when required minimum distributions need to be taken has been raised to age 73 effective this year. The penalty for not taking or taking an insufficient RMD has been reduced to 25% of the shortfall, and if the shortfall is corrected in a timely manner, will drop to 10%. A change that will not be happening this year is the lowered $600 threshold for the issuance of Form 1099-K. The requirement had been set to take effect for this year, but once again they changed their minds. The IRS is currently considering phasing in the requirement with a $5,000 threshold for 2024, but as of the publication of this video, nothing has yet been decided. Of course, these are only some of the changes to the tax code that are taking effect for 2023, and there are links to more extensive lists of changes in the video description. And as we begin a new tax season, I'd like to give a sincere thanks to all of you who have watched, liked, commented, and subscribed. During 2023, over 3,600 new subscribers have joined our community, and as the channel reaches its third anniversary, has achieved over 400,000 views, 250,000 of them in this year alone. If you haven't subscribed yet, now would be the perfect time to do so as we begin a new tax season. And all through the season, your questions, comments, and suggestions will be welcome in the comment sections of all videos, including this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back throughout the 2023 tax season and beyond with more of your taxes oversimplified.